Good afternoon from Munnar, centre of the world by the sounds of it. Very, very busy. We're just going to have a quick look around, explore, see what we can see. Chocolates. Again, maybe people don't realise that Kerala and this area not only is famous for tea, but also is famous for chocolate, and lots of handmade chocolate. They grow chocolate and grind it and make nice sweeties. You can buy it in powdered form, loose, just exactly the same as tea. Lots of tuk-tuks, lots of jeeps. Because of the mountainous region, they need lots of jeeps. The beauty of this place is there's not many tourists. You know, you don't see many European people here. But it's a fantastic place to visit. It's so colourful. There's colours everywhere you look. Oh, here we go. We've got a market area coming up. Let's have a walk through the market. See if there's anything of interest. Sweets and cakes, fruit and veg, coconuts, red bananas. I've never seen red bananas. More fruit and veg. Oh. Little quiz for you. Does anybody know what this is? There's a little quiz. I'll tell you at the end of the video. The smells and the claustrophobic feel reminds me of Marrakesh, the souks in Marrakesh. Very, very similar smell. With the spices, fresh fruit, guy with onions on his head. Area. Let's go down a little bit further. What I'm looking for is a Lungi. It's a traditional men's work wear. Orange lungi. It's worn round the waist as a sort of a skirt, and then it's pulled up between the legs and tucked into the front waistband to make shorts. Do you know what? I think it'll be ideal for on the beach. So if I can find one, that'll be a cool little memento. May have one in here. Let me just have a quick look. Look away here. Hello, sir. I'm looking for a Lungi. An orange one.
Orange.
Orange. A work one. No orange. Right. Must be a popular colour. Thank you. Do you know where I could get one from?
Next complex is there.
Next complex. Fantastic. Thank you. Well, that was a fail on that one. So he said the next complex. Ah, look at this. Ah, here we go. Let's have a look. They may have one in here. Hello, sir. I'm looking for a lungi. Do you have a lungi? Oh, here's the lungis. I'm looking for an orange one. Orange lungi.
Orange.
Orange. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Let me just have a look. This is the orange lungi.
150.
150? 250. I like the colour of that one. That's a little too bright. That was too fancy. $110. Right guys, do I get the gold or do I get the blue? Decisions. I will take the gold one. That's perfect, thank you. So I've bought myself a lungi. I'll be wearing it when I get back to the hotel. And on we go. Now the reason why I bought an orange lungi is the traditional white wraparound is called a dotty, and it is traditional because it is what they wear for best. However, when they want to wear it for fatigues or for workwear, they found that it got dirty. So they started wearing orange lungis, and the orange lungis were for work. Sweet treats. Cakes, biscuits. Mrs. P is just pointing out the jelly tots. Hello sir, how are you? Can we have some of these, please? Sorry, you're going to have to show me what, 20?
50 grams. 50 grams.
50 grams sounds good. Yeah, 50 grams.
Jelly or 50.
50 grams.
Yeah.
50 grams, thank you. Shall I pay you?
Coming from?
I'm from England.
England.
England. Yeah.
And I'll put like.
Okay. You subscribe, yeah?
Yeah, I subscribe.
Yeah. How much do you need?
20 rupees.
20.
Yeah, 20 only. Okay.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Oh, let's take my sweeties. Thank you. Bye-bye. Right. See what else we can find. This part of Kerala has a very strong Christian community. Lots of Christians, probably one of the very few places in India where they eat beef. So you can have a beef curry, a beef masala, where other places of India are Hindu or Muslim, and they, or Hindus, see the cow as being sacred. So other parts of India you can't eat cow, but here being Christian, no problem at all. Let's see what's going on here. Making bread. Roti. Is this paratha? Paratha. And then they fry them like this here, and they are delicious. Smells divine around here. A lot of street food. Hello. How are you? More sweeties. More sweeties. Hello. Hello. Let's go and have a chai. Chai shop over the road. Okay, here we go. Life in your hands. Yep, normal tea with milk and one masala.
35.
35. 35 rupees for 2 teas, that's about 35 pence. Thank you. One normal white tea for Mrs. P and one masala chai for me.